Grasp the bird's tail on the left side. Throw the right hand behind, just like you're doing another repulse the monkey. Step in with the toe. Bring the hands in and hold the ball. Step out with the left heel. Slowly roll forward. Let the right hand push forward as the left hand lifts up and ward off. Your left hand will be facing forward over the left toe. Turn the hands over and separate the hands slightly. The distance between your forward hand and your back hand is equal to the distance between your wrist and your elbow. Slowly shift back, turn the body, and pull to the side. Let the right hand continue behind as the left hand lifts up. Bend the rear arm at the elbow. Pick the front hand up. Bring the base of your fingertips lightly to the back of the wrist. Push forward with the rear leg and press. Separate the two hands apart. Drop both hands down. Drag the heel in. Lift the hands up, call. Take a half step forward. Tuck the elbows in. Slowly roll forward and push to a bow and arrow.